In this video, I'll talk about 7 ways to say hello in Swahili. Number 1, by using the word jambo. Jambo, pronounced jambo, not jambo. Pay attention to the j sound. Jambo, jambo, not jambo. Jambo literally means matter or issue. So, by adding hu in front of jambo, it makes hujambo. Hujambo means how are you? Hujambo, how are you? Hujambo can only be used when addressing one person. Hamjambo, hamjambo. It means how are you? However, hamjambo is used when addressing 2 or more people. Hujambo, singular. Hamjambo, plural. Sijambo. It means I'm fine. Sijambo, I'm fine. Hatujambo, we are fine. Hatujambo, we are fine. Number 2, using the word habari. Habari. Habari means news. So you can ask habari, which can mean how are you? Or how are things with you? Or habari yako, which means how are you? Or how are things with you? Use habari yako when you're addressing one person. Habari zenu. Habari zenu. Habari zenu also means how are you? However, habari zenu is used when addressing 2 or more people. So, habari yako, singular. Habari zenu, plural. Nzuri. Nzuri. It means good or fine. So, if someone asks you, habari yako, you can say nzuri. Nzuri if it's good. Or mbaya. Mbaya if it's bad. You can also use the word chema, which means fine or good. There are a few variations of the word habari you can use depending on the time of the day. Examples: habari za asubuhi. Habari za asubuhi. Habari za asubuhi, it means good morning or how is your morning? So when you see someone on the streets in the morning, you can ask habari za asubuhi, to which they can reply nzuri if it's good. Habari za mchana. Habari za mchana. Habari za mchana means good afternoon. Or how is your afternoon? Habari za jioni. Habari za jioni. Habari za jioni means good evening. Or how is your evening? Habari za usiku. Habari za usiku. Good night. Or how is your night? And lastly, habari za kutwa. Habari za kutwa. Habari za kutwa means how is your day? Other replies to the greeting mentioned you can use in place of nzuri are salama. Salama. It means peaceful. Or sio nzuri. Sio nzuri. Not good. Sijisikii vizuri. Sijisikii vizuri. I'm not feeling well. Number 3, using the word salama. Salama, which means peaceful. So you can ask vipi salama? Vipi salama? Which literally translates to how peaceful. It's like you're asking someone if everything is well and they're in a peaceful state. Vipi salama? Salama. Vipi salama? Salama. Or si salama. Si salama means not peaceful. Number 4, using the word hali. Hali, which means situation. So, vipi hali? Vipi hali? It means how are you? Literally, how is the situation? Number 5, using the word shikamo. Shikamo. Shikamo literally translates to touching your feet. to which the reply is marhaba. It means you are welcome to do so. Shikamo is used when a young person is greeting a significantly older person. It is used to show respect. Note that shikamo is a one-way greeting and it can only be initiated by young people. Number 6, assalamu alaikum, which means peace be upon you. Since there's a large number of Muslims in the Swahili community, assalamu alaikum is mostly used. The reply is wa alaikum salam, which means peace be upon you too. When greeting elders, often you will hear people say assalamu alaikum followed by shikamo. This is to follow both the religion and the culture. And lastly, the greetings for casual interaction. There are different forms of casual greetings used in Swahili, such as mambo, vipi, sema, and others. To know more about casual greetings in Swahili, make sure to watch this video.